draw the ankle and calf. Then draw your heel slightly out as a sphere. This is the back of the foot. Now for the front of the foot, draw a triangle starting from the center of your ankle. This is your tall mountain. Then draw a shorter mountain with an arch. The heel and two mountains have similar horizontal length. The pinky toe is placed a pinky toe length out of the arch. Likewise, the big toe is placed a big toe length out of the arch. For the toes, draw the big toe in an egg shape. Leave a little room, and the rest of the 4 toes can be drawn in the shape of stairs. The toe next to the big toe is the longest toe, and the rest gets shorter from there. You can see some tendons on the pinky toe side, and there's a little cave on the big toe side.